So hi, welcome to Cooking with Abba. Today I'm going to teach you about air fryers. Yes, if you're looking to buy an air fryer, this is a video for you because we're going to talk about one, what to look out for. You're buying an air fryer. Two, how to set your air fryer or how to use your air fryer. Three, how to clean and preserve your air fryer. Four, how to use your air fryer. And five, essential air fryer accessories you need to get to help you make more dishes out of your air fryer, because today an air fryer is an essential investment for your health and for your convenience. You know, it saves a lot of cooking time and it gives you that healthy option of less fat. If there's even fat in your food, it's going to drain it out. And so today air fryers are a great investment, and so you really have to watch out for this video. Like, watch it to the end and learn as much as you can from it. And if you have any further questions, leave it in the review section. We're going to show you as well, and most importantly, I'm going to show you where you can get very affordable air fryers and accessories in Ghana especially as well. So yes, I'll see you in the video. This is a Silvercrest extra large air fryer, and this is 8 liter. They have it in different liters, different sizes. The extra large gives you more space in there as well. So this is the S18, and so let's go in and then let's unravel. Yes, so we're just going to take this out of the box, and I always recommend keep your kaku, keep your box. You never know when you need it, so you just take it off. Usually comes in the wrapper. Take that off as well, and then you can also remove the how do you call it, the connector to your sockets. Your cable usually is wrapped, so you have to take that off as well. Then you can open your air fryer. Typically it doesn't come with accessories, so you just get your air fryer with the bucket, and you're going to take the plastic things off, because once a heat goes through it, trouble will come. So you just take those ones off, and before you use your air fryer, you have to wash it. Before you use your air fryer, you'd have to wash it, especially for the first time you are going to use it. How do you wash your air fryer? It's simple. You just need soap and sponge and water to do that. Don't use any strong abrasive or any strong sponge or hard sponge in there as well. Just find something easy in, and you don't need any seminar or it's just a new something. You just want to clean it properly before you use. So you just use your soap and then your foamy sponge in. There are drains by the side, so even if water goes, it was going to just pour out, so you are very safe. And when you are done, you just wipe it and you are good to go and to use as well. And the beauty is, if you take care of it, it will last long for you as well. So once this is set, we are good to go. So presets will help you change, function will help you move through the functions. So they have the shrimp, they have cake, they have nuts like groundnuts and all those ones. If you want to keep it warm, that's also an option. They have the manual where you can choose your preferred temperature and then preferred time. That's the main setting here. And then you have the chicken wings, the whole chicken, which is a full chicken. Then you have the sweet potatoes. This side is for timing, so you can increase your time or you can reduce your time. This is for the temperature. You can increase your temperature or decrease your temperature, and this is a power button. When you buy it fresh, especially for this type, sometimes the power button can be a bit hard, so just know that it will take a while as you're pressing it for it to soften or pick it up as well. Clean before you use. Yes, clean before you use. And I don't know how well I'm doing this, but yes. So there's a heating grill up here, which is going to be heating, and there's a fan that blows the heat all over your food, and that's how come your food uses the heat to cook it up. And there's a vent here to let the excess fan go away, excess heat, sorry, go away. And all of this part is insulated as well. So that's the main setup for your air fryer in here. Today I'm going to do some plantains for you to see, because I love plantains. I've got one bit here. Let me just put it on top here. So this, I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to put this on. Once it comes on, you see the lights over here. So I'm going to choose my function. Usually for plantain, I like to use a sweet potato function, and I'll reduce it as well. So to use a function, and I'm going to switch. So this is not. I'm now the sweet potato, so that's blinking for me, which is usually like 200. I'm going to reduce the time to 15. Okay, 15. And then the temperature, if you want to increase or decrease it, let's say moving it from 25 to 180 degrees for 15 minutes. If you want to increase the time to, you can just press it to increase this a little up, maybe like 20, and just let it be, and it will be just on. Because I press the power in there, if I want to pause it, I can equally press the pause as well. So that's the thing about it. Like I was saying, it takes a while before this softens up as well, and this is going to bake as it's going. Another blessing you need to get if you have an air fryer is to invest in these air fryer accessories, which are great investments to go in for. So when it comes to your air fryer accessories, these are things you don't really get with your regular air fryer. Let me put this aside. So this is going to help you actually remove your hot stuff, you know, from the air fryer, especially the griddles and those ones. That comes in your accessory box as well. These, which are like stands in your air fryer, then the other stuff can stand on it. My egg omelette recipe, you see that in as well. Then we have the skewers for your grills. If you're making chinchenga or any of those, the skewers are also in for the grill. And this is good for making your grills. So maybe you're making some pie, you want to bake your pie on your sheet in there, or you're making your meat, like your barbecue and all those grill stuff, you can put it here. Even with this plantain, I could have placed it on here, but then I wanted more space to be able to load it, you know that thing. And then this is the rack, so that when you take your food hot, you can just put it on as well. So there's a normal food rack for your advantage. Then this is a 7-piece in one. This is for your cupcakes. Yes, for your cupcakes, and it tells you that you can use this for up to 230 degrees Celsius to -40. So if it's a frozen something, that can also work, and that's the same as a 446 Fahrenheit or -40 Fahrenheit. And so this is good for food, but you don't have to give a direct flame, and you can't use knife in there, else you're going to cut it up. So yes, this is it. And this makes it very easy for you to even pop your things out once you're done. When you are done with your food, nothing goes to stick in there, which is good, like for baking. Except for young people who are now learning to bake. Now we also have the buckets. This bucket, you can even do your jollof rice or your plain rice in there as well. So we've got the bucket, which yeah, is great for you can even do soups in your air fryer. Trust me, I'll show you how to do that on the channel as well. So once that goes, this is another thing you find in your pizza pan or your pizza dish, which is also very great essential, and I use it for my egg omelette when I don't want to fry my egg on fire. So yes, this is another great essential to have. And then this is the mat. Yes, the oil mat, or let me say the heating mat. You can let your things be on to cool, which helps with your surfaces, so you don't destroy your surfaces. So this is my 7-in-1 air fryer accessories, which are like great piece you should invest in. If you're buying an air fryer, you should also include these accessories. They are like essential accessories as well. And for me in Ghana, I got these from NaHett Trading. Yes, so she got me all of my air fryer accessories together with the air fryer as well, and it's great to have these because it makes cooking more fun, more easy, and yeah, it saves you the stress as well. So whenever you're done using it, try and then put them back. And then make sure that your space is always well organized, most importantly. So I'm just going to pack all of these back in here. Yeah, that's my air fryer accessories going in there. So yeah, since we're done, I'm going to close this up, and then very cute, very portable air fryer as family accessories you should invest in. So like I said, I got mine from NaHett, and you see it's still going 180 degrees, and it's telling you the number of minutes it's used. We've used one already, and that is already going in as well. Another thing I want to show you is this spice can thing I do, where I just pour my preferred oil, which I use coconut oil a lot, and I add in the chili oil, and I just use this especially for barbecues or for the meat, or when I didn't kill it with it, or even potatoes when you don't want it to look too dry in there. It's great. This is telling me 4 minutes. See my plantain. Flip everything over because you realize the one side is done, but the other side not so well done. So once you remove it, a pause is once you do. Now this juncture, I think I want to increase the time to like 10. I think we forgot about it, so I'm just gonna keep. Now this is all done and dusted and super ready and super great to be eaten, and you can see it all cooked, all out, all in. And I'm just going to put this, into my lunch box and good to go. Coffee Brookman. So yes, let's go to the option 2, where we're going to use our brittle, and we're going to still do our roasted plantain, Coffee Brookman, which is now Coffee Richman. Let's go in there as well and see. So just press this, go to the function. If you go to manual, means you can change the time, change the temperature, do it how you want it. That is for manual in there. I don't want manual. So this is chicken wings. This is whole chicken or full chicken. I want the sweet potato. Sweet potato is like 35 minutes for 200 degrees Celsius. And because I've already pressed the power, it's already going in there. So 200 degrees Celsius for it. So you can increase your time here, decrease your time here. You can increase the temperature here, decrease the temperature here. And I'm just going to let this be as it's doing its own stuff. So at this point, you have to turn it, because even if you were roasting it on your eja, you'd have turned it. So you just want the other part to also look well or evenly colored as well. So I can get good results in there. And mind you, I like my plantain very soft, very, very soft. So this is going to go in. And once it goes back, it's just going to continue cooking till it's done. So yeah, I'm going to finish my movie as this finishes its cooking. Still 22. This is just okay. At this juncture, my poko is done, my coffee brookman is done, and I'm just going to take it out and serve myself. Yes, I'm just going to serve myself, and I take this with coated granite, which is on the channel as well. Do check it out. And Charlie, it is just there. Technically, at this point, I'm just going to, I don't know if you see this. This is the essence. Clean as possible. Those are my roasted plantains, and yeah, I'm going to enjoy mine with some granite. And yeah, this is so good to go. So done. Like, Charlie, it be. So yes, after every use you have to wash your air fryer, and for me the best thing I do is to soak it for like 5, 10, 15 minutes depending on what I did with it, so that the food stains or the food remains will soften and to be very easy for me to wash it. Don't forget, garbage in, garbage out. If you don't take good care of it, it won't last long. So when you are done with the soaking, just use your soap and then your soft sponge and wash it and just clean it, and then you put it back where you can use it later.